you're paying your rent per month. Does that rent goes towards the value of the home, or does that rent just goes towards rent? Like, for example, are you paying down the value of the home as you pay rent?
Yeah, very, very good question. So I will use the $300,000 home as example because we always believe in transparency. People should know exactly what they get themselves into before they decide what they should do next. So
Yes.
in a $300,000 home example, the monthly rent on payment could be roughly around 2,800. I'm just giving, round it up.
Run it,
Among
yeah.
that 2,800, the rent is likely $2,450.
Okay.
So the other $350 out of that 2,800 goes towards the down payment.
Okay.
So there are two components. The rent is rent, $2,450,
Mhm.
because if you rent a house, you had to pay rent no matter what.
Yeah.
That $2,450 does not go anywhere.